The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai. Alright guys, welcome back to Second and Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So like I said in the last video, today Emma is going to be making some palm nut soup. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be going over to Nima, where I've heard that over in Nima it's a little bit more rough. So my host has been telling me, yo, just be very careful over there. So we're going to be heading over there to get some of the ingredients. Now, every single day I learn something new. You know, I saw a comment and I've heard other Ghanaians say, for the peanut soup, over here in Ghana, they don't call it peanut soup, they call it ground nut soup. Yo, over here, you keep learning so many different things here. The right way to speak, the right way to say things, the right way to eat. It's a continuous learning process. So today, I'm going to get a chance to learn what the Nima Market is like. I'm super excited and I'm ready for it. Even though my host is he's very skeptical of us going over there. I'm gonna go over there and have a great time, get some footage, and then we're gonna head back and then we're going to cook up this soup. Guys, I cannot wait to try this. Today I also had a little bit of fufu this afternoon, and the more I do it is the better I get at the food etiquette, and it's tasting even better as we go along. So, of course, Jilly Beans is here and she's not feeling so good. The food is not working with her stomach so well. So she's not hopping on this little excursion today, but that's something that we all have to pay attention to and quite understand, that not every single dish or food is going to work with everyone. Some persons, the stomach takes a little bit of a time to acclimatize to it. So that's something to also bear in mind when you're traveling to any country whatsoever. If it could be your first time in Jamaica, you have to also be careful in how you eat, so that your stomach can get better and better with these dishes. Some of the things that we try over here not to do is definitely not to drink the pipe water. So everything is just full on bottled water that we have over here. And of course, even though some of the spices are similar, they are still a little bit different in their preparation. So yeah, that's something to bear in mind on your travels. I'll catch you guys though when we're on the road heading to Nima.
Don't waste me too much.
Okay, Emma. Are you ready for an adventure, bro? You ready? All right, let's go. So tell me a little bit about Tema. Nima, sorry. What is it like over there?
It's Muslim people. Yeah,
Muslim people?
Yeah, like 70%.
70% Muslim?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. When you say Muslim, you're talking black Muslims, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So Ghanaians, but their religion is Muslim.
Yeah.
Got you. All right, sounds like a vibe. And why do you go to the Nima Market? Is it cheaper over there?
Somehow, but you see, in Kanda here, you don't have market here. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you don't have
This area is called Kanda?
Yeah, that's Kanda.
Kanda.
Yeah.
Okay, and before I was at Cantonment.
Yeah.
Okay, got you.
Kanda is you don't have market here. So that's where you go and buy stuff.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. So some of these gutters that's on the side of the road, that's why mosquitoes in Ghana, huh? Yeah, that's what people say. What are they making over there? Just fried fish?
Yeah,
Fried yam,
yeah.
and fish.
And potatoes.
Ah.
Fried yam, fried potatoes.
So would she be like making dinner for the locals?
Yeah.
Nice. Ah, got you. Evening. Ah, so they do food over here. Cooking. Ah. It's nice. What is this? Oh, palm nut.
Yeah, that's one. Yeah.
Hello. And shito. No?
Yeah.
That one is shito.
Shito, yeah.
Ah, it's cool. Also, they cook it and they sell.
Yeah.
Ah, got you.
The small chopper.
Hmm?
Like a small chopper.
Small chopper?
Yeah, chopper. Yeah, it's like instead of you see here, look at it, restaurant, it has chop bar. You know.
Oh, chop bar.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
got you. Yeah, chop bar. Okay.
You buy it, then
I understand. The vibes. Yeah.
this is the border between Kanda and Nima. So from here is Nima. There is
It's Kanda. So Kanda there,
and,
Nima. So very close. So we are in now Nima. So are these like houses for people?
Yeah, yeah.
Houses, cool. Got you. Oh wow. I have a question, right? In Ghana, would you say goat is the most popular meat compared to chicken?
Yeah, but this one is sheep.
This is sheep.
Yeah, that's sheep.
Oh my, oh yeah. I can tell that one's a sheep for sure. Okay, cool. Yo, sick. Sick.
Where they pray.
Oh, they pray. What was it called? A mosque? Nice, nice. All right, guys, so we have officially entered the Nima Market, and it feels just like downtown Kingston back home in Jamaica, because one heap of announcements are going and people are trying to sell them stuff. So yeah, that for me is just a whole vibe. It feels just like home. They're selling clothes here, shoes, food, whatever the case is. Yeah, you could probably get it here. So what are we getting exactly today? Chicken, fish. Okay, got you. So some chicken, some fish, some herbs, vibes. That side is very colorful. Yeah. This is a chotro. Chotro. Ah, yeah. Whoa. Bro, I love it, man. Blow. Ah,
Cow meat, goat meat, yeah.
yeah. It's cool, bro. Yo. What is that? Sheep? Goat? Ah. Whoa. Wow. So, do you have like a special vendor that you like to go to?
Yes.
You have a special person.
Yeah,
Same thing back home. You know, somebody with the best prices. Yeah. Sure. Ah. Wow.
from here.
Cassava from her.
Yeah, that one, yeah.
Nice. Oh, they have crabs too, man. Oh. What kind of dish they normally make with crabs? You don't?
No, she's asking if you buy something.
Okay.
Okay, this one's like, can you prepare like Palm nut soup like this.
Ah, with the crabs.
Yeah.
Nice.
Or okra stew.
Or okra stew with it. Vibes. I love the market. Yo, so them get the food, they get the stuff and them carry it go to sell.
Yeah, someone can buy stuff.
Okay. Oh, them. Okay, so they're carrying it for that person, and they'll pay them for the carriage. Okay. Wow. What do you call that fish there? That's what you call salmon? Ah. So that chicken is for you. Another one is off. She's gone too. Ready to roll? All right, let's roll, bro. Let's roll. What are you buying? Oh, bro. So this is the smoked fish.
Yeah, that's smoked salmon. Yeah.
Smoked salmon.
Yeah.
Nice. What are these for?
Count. They use it to prepare soup, like okra.
Soup.
They're preparing okra.
This
Yeah.
that looks like stones.
They add it. They will grind it.
Okay.
Yeah. And then add with the okra.
Wow, that's interesting, bro. And that's the ground nut
Yeah.
for the ground nut paste.
Yeah.
Wow.
And I wait to tell my mom. Wait my to rubber my mommy. Like what we are better to know rubber my mommy. Instead of being the because they got
I want to buy plantain. Jilly wants plantain.
You want the ripe one then?
Yeah, ripe one, not too ripe, like
Okay.
this and this. Yeah.
How much is it? It says 5 cities.
For one?
No, the 3 of them.
Okay. Let me get my money. It's 50. Wow, you guys have a lot of cassava, man.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Bro.
Oh,
Well, you can put the chicken. Come on, open your hand, man. Come on.
thank you. I'm seeing Dry fish, yeah, so I'm gonna buy it.
Fish?
Yeah, the dry fish.
Okay. Is this what they use for the contomere? No? That's not palm leaf? No. Okay. They use it for like a soup?
Yeah, I mean, this like when you cook it, it's like,
Yeah.
it's like okra.
Like okra. Slimy. Okay.
Thank you.
Whoa. There's no special type of fish, just smoked fish.
Yeah.
Just smoked, okay. Yeah, so we've just been strolling through the market. I hope you guys appreciating content like this because it's, for me, it's very similar to Jamaica, but still in its own way, it's different. Like we just saw some white eggplants. Usually you see eggplants, they're purple, but these ones are white. It's a bit different. So now what are you getting? Some onions and stuff? So we're getting a bunch of onions. Okra. So some okra over here. Purple onions. And these things are all Ghanaian, yeah? Ghanaian done. No imports. Nice. Yo, if you guys appreciate content like this, drop a like, get this video to like 3,000 likes, yo. Vibes. Guys, since I've been here, the ladies have been smiling with me a lot. I love it, man. So this is like your usual butcher, this guy?
This is the right one. And then
I want two. I want one of this and one of this. You have change?
Yeah.
Yeah. You really want to try them. Nice. I had these from the streets already and this was really good. It's nice. I know she's gonna be super excited about getting these.
Yeah.
What else are we getting?
Okay, let's get it the front there.
Pop this into my bag. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I got it.
Bye-bye.
Would you say that the people, they know you? When you come in here, they know that you're gonna get stuff from them? Ah, I see, bro. So Makola Market is bigger than here, huh?
Yeah.
Way big. I don't want to see that, bro. Because this market to me is pretty, it's pretty well stocked. Has a lot of stuff. These tomatoes are very pretty, very red. So the rocks, they sell the rocks for the okra. These,
Yeah.
what is it called?
Like in the local language, we call it kang.
Kang? That's it?
Yeah, kang,
Okay. Does it give you anything like nutrients? Like,
No, just, If the offer is like not to
Oh, not
lost
today.
It's sweetness.
Okay. Sorry. Whoa.
Hey, buddy.
Tomorrow is the market day.
Tomorrow,
Yeah, it's Nima Market day.
which is Wednesday.
Yeah, Wednesday.
Okay.
Tomorrow, the place is going to be full of people. People from different countries will come sell and buy.
Wow. It's like back home from the part of Jamaica that I'm from. I'm from Trelawney. And at the market we have what they call bend down, which is on a Wednesday. And on a Wednesday at that market, full with people, bro.
It's like the same as here.
Basically, it's funny, huh? It's really funny that we both share a Wednesday for our market day. Wow. But what I love is that you can, how can I say? You can quickly, get some stuff for your dinner really quick, and you can have it fresh.
Sure.
That's amazing, bro. It's really cool. So just the same back home, zinc is usually the roofing for a lot of places as well.
Yeah, the way they've constructed their building, you don't take care. You think you are walking on the way, by the time you realize you're in somebody's room.
Oh, if you're not careful, you walk into some. Oh my God! Wow.
Put yourself in someone's room.
Jeez.
Okay, I think
We can go. Yeah. We literally had like 2 seconds to make that walk. Wow.
the way they've constructed their building, you walk in the street, you think, oh, I'm on the street. By the time you realize, find yourself in somebody's room.
You have to. Oh my gosh. So I find like some places, their room and their business is like the same, kind of.
Yeah.
Sometimes. Wow. Oh, there goes the pot. The lady and her cooking. Nice little outdoor fire. Wow. That's cool. Man, you seem to be a popular guy around here, man.
Like, I'm cool to everyone. I love to see everybody. So.
Yeah, you get the love back. I feel that, man. Keep the same energy, bro. Huh?
You get planting?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you never get no chips. Yay, we get planting. Why you reach back so quick?
It's literally like across the road.
Like you walk?
Yeah, we walked. This was like short walk.
You're for planting.
Open that bag there for me, please. In the zip part, so take out my phone.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Is that different type? Is that pepper one?
That one is sweet, and that one is that's the one that I like.
Thank you so much. Oh, nice.
So, back at this little humble Airbnb. So far, loving it here, being in this side of town. And yeah, this is the experience going to Nima. Was really good. I think the highlight was actually seeing the plantain lady with the, you know, with the chips and whatever. And Jilly quite loves them. You love them, right? Very good. They're very good. It tastes almost exactly like what's back in Jamaica, but better. You know, the ones back in Jamaica are a little bit, you know, manufactured. This one seems like it's manufactured, but a little bit more rustic, and I appreciate that about it. And yeah, like I said, if you enjoy videos like these, drop a like on the video, drop a comment, let me know what you want to see me doing in a next video. But of late, I haven't quite spoken much, you know, about my boy Kurt, cause yeah, it's still a touchy topic for me personally, but he's always here. You know, I consider every single day in some way. Today, you know, I use my cap, Soai cap. This was a cap that belonged to Kurt. I use it to create content. Sometimes I'll attach, you know, camera on top, just like I did today, so you guys can, you know, see how I'm seeing the world. And in a very small and strange little way, it's almost like, you know, he's still involved with the content, because he's helping me through this cap that I had gifted to him. It's a 1 in 10 caps. I only made 10, gave them away to patrons, and Kurt was one of them. I'll keep using it so, you know, he can still be a part of the content. I mean, I got a big head, but I force it on every single time to show you guys some, you know, cool stuff that I'm seeing, and to, you know, still feel like he is somewhere here, you know, helping me to make the content in a very strange little way. Anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next video. I feel so sad. That's why I don't talk about it, dog. Anyway, I guess, woo! Catch you guys on the next video, where we're going to be making the palm nut soup. So I gotta run over to Emma right now so we can get that done. Remember to see things, love, nature, and adaptation. And I hope you guys did not miss Jilly. And always remember to keep the link.